Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to find trending sounds on TikTok. So first, open your TikTok app. And then you'll see at the top, the search icon. Just tap on that and then search for trending sounds. And then go to Sounds tab. From there, you can now see the trending sounds that you can use. Just scroll down to see more. When you see the sound that you like, just tap on that, and then what you're going to do is to tap on Add to Favorites so that you can use it later. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.